Looking to better connect with prospects? You can now record and send Vidyard videos from directly within the LinkedIn messaging UI. Hey everyone, Charlie from Vidyard here with an exciting new Vidyard platform feature. We're making it easier than ever to create or upload a video from within LinkedIn. The Vidyard icon is injected into the LinkedIn messaging UI. When a user clicks it, they can insert an existing video or record a new one. LinkedIn is a critical channel for salespeople to find and nurture customers. The popularity of video is already growing on LinkedIn, and with the Vidyard LinkedIn integration, it's easy to record and send video right within the LinkedIn Message Composer. This exciting new feature works for anyone with a Vidyard account that has downloaded the free browser extension. Once you have a Vidyard account and the browser extension, you'll automatically see the Vidyard icon in your Message Composer in LinkedIn. Make sure you refresh the extension in order to enable the latest features. Before I demonstrate how to use the LinkedIn integration, let's talk a little bit about why you should be using it. 1. To stand out with video and increase the chance that your recipient will open the message and hear what you have to say. Look forward to getting more responses. 2. To show or explain something using a recording instead of a time-consuming message. Communicate faster and more directly. 3. Start building a personal relationship right away with a friendly video or reply. Be a living person that they can relate to, not just a profile picture and a job title. And finally, increase the chance of getting someone's attention with a multi-channel outreach. If someone hasn't responded to your email or phone call, following up using a LinkedIn message with a video attached might just do the trick. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time to finally demo the Vidyard LinkedIn integration. All right, so here we are up at my desk. I'm going to give you a quick demo on how simple this process is. So all you need to do is make sure that you've signed up for a Vidyard account and that you have the browser extension installed. You can right click on the browser extension and click on reload just to make sure that the latest features are enabled. Then you're simply going to head down to where you would compose a message on LinkedIn. Type in the recipient's name. We'll send a video message to one of my favorite people at Vidyard, Kelly Diamond. And then you're going to see the little VBot icon here, which you want to click on that. And then, of course, you can insert an existing recording that you have in one of your folders, or you can click on New Video, and then you can do a camera recording, screen recording, or upload a video from exterior to Vidyard. So what we're going to do here is a camera recording. So once we click on camera recording, it's most likely you're going to get a notification asking you to enable access to your camera and microphone. You can select different webcams or mics that you may have connected to your computer on these drop-down menus here. And then when you're ready to compose your message, you simply hit record. Hey Kelly, just doing a quick demo of the new Vidyard LinkedIn integration. Just wanted you to know that you're doing a fantastic job here and that you're a pleasure to work with. So we can stop recording. It'll take a few seconds and then it will be ready to share to your recipient. You can also edit it within Vidyard, trim your videos. Actually, let's go over there. Take a quick look at some of the features, some of the things you can do. So you can trim your video, cut off the beginning and end. You can actually edit your thumbnails, which are currently loading here. We always recommend the animated GIF, just another way that you can capture people's attention. You're certainly going to want to edit your title. Something that will entice your prospect to click on it. And then that's it. You can head back over and share the video and go ahead and click send. As you can see, the video is there ready to watch. When you click on it, it will play for your recipient. Hey Kelly, just doing a quick demo of the... And that is how to use the Vidyard LinkedIn integration in a nutshell. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time where we'll focus on another exciting feature of the Vidyard platform.